James, are you ready for our big day at the park?
Yes, Mom. I have been ready since breakfast. I am ready too. I packed some snacks for everyone.
Great, let's go to the park while the sun is shining.
Wait, I must bring my toy car. It wants to go too.
Good idea, James. Just make sure you keep it safe.
That is your favorite toy, right?
Don't lose it in the grass.
Yes, I love it. It is the fastest car in the world.
Everyone in the car, buckle up your seatbelts, kids.
Let's go. It is going to be a wonderful afternoon.
I see the park. Look at the big green trees.
Be careful, kids. Stay where we can see you at all times.
Okay, Mom. I will stay near the playground area. I play with my toy car right here on this track. I will play on the swing and see how high I can go.
I sit here and watch them. It is so peaceful today.
I sit with you. It is nice to have a moment of rest.
Look, Charlotte, my car is fast. It's winning the race. Wow, very fast. It looks like a real racing car. I push it again. This time it will go even further. Good job, James. You are a very good driver.
James, stay close to the bench. Don't go too far away.
Yes, Mom. I am just staying right here by the tree. Let's go to the slide now. It is the tallest one.
Okay. I want to try the slide with you, Charlotte.
I bring my car to the slide so it can watch.
Don't forget it at the bottom. Keep it in your hand. I put it here on this rock so it stays clean.
Okay, that is a safe spot. Now let's climb up. Let's climb to the very top. Follow me, James.
I'm coming. I am a fast climber, just like my car.
This is fun. Everything looks so small from up here. Yes, it is. Are you ready to slide down now?
Be careful on the slide, kids. Go one at a time.
Hold tight to the sides until you are ready to go.
I slide down. Whoosh! That was so much fun. Me too. Here I come. Get out of the way. Again. I want to go down the slide again. Again.
Let's see who can reach the bottom first. Time for a break, everyone. Come and have some water.
Okay.
I am a little bit thirsty from all the running. My toy car. Where is it? It's not on the rock.
What? Are you sure you put it right there?
I can't find my car. It was right here a minute ago.
Oh, no. We have to find it before we go home.
I am sad. That was my favorite red toy car.
Don't cry, James. We are a team. We will find it.
What's wrong, children? Why are you looking so upset?
I lost my toy. It disappeared from the rock.
Where did you see it last? Think very carefully, James.
Near the slide. I put it on the flat rock over there. Let's look there. Maybe it rolled under the slide.
Good idea. Everyone, let's start a search party now.
I look here in the bushes. Maybe it is hiding in the shade. I look there by the stairs. It might have fallen.
I checked the bench. Maybe you brought it back here?
I checked the grass. It's hard to see things in the green.
Not here. Only some old leaves and some sand.
Not here, too. I checked the whole ladder area.
I feel sad. I think my car is gone forever, Mom.
It's okay. We are not giving up yet. Let's keep searching.
We will find it, James. It has to be around here somewhere.
I hope so. I really miss my fast red car. Ask that boy. Maybe he saw where it went.
Okay. I will go and ask him right now. Excuse me. Do you see my red toy car anywhere?
No, I don't. I have only been playing with my bucket. Thank you anyway. He didn't see anything, Charlotte. Let's keep looking. It can't have gone very far.
Check under the slide again, very deep in the sand.
I check. I will use my hands to feel the sand. Not here, just more sand and some little rocks. This is very mysterious. Where could it be?
Maybe near the tree where you were playing earlier.
Let's go! Run, James! It might be waiting there.
I see something. something. Something red is over there in the dirt.
What is it? Is it the car? Go check it.
Oh, it's not my car. It's just a piece of trash.
Oh no. I really thought that was it for a second.
I want my toy. I wish I had never put it down.
I understand, honey. It's hard to lose something you love.
Stay calm, James. Sometimes things show up when we are calm.
Okay. I will try to stop being so upset. Let's check again from where we started. Come on.
Okay, let's walk slowly and look at every single spot. Look near the swing. Did you go there to show Charlotte?
I go there. I remember walking past it once.
Wait, I see it. I see something red and shiny.
Really? Don't tell me it's another piece of trash.
Good job! You didn't give up and you found it!
You found it!
Our family search party was a success.
I am so happy. My car is safe and sound.
Me too. Now we can finally go back to playing. Where was it? I thought you put it on the rock?
Near the swing. I must have moved it and forgot.
You forgot it there when you went to watch Charlotte.
Yes, I remember now. I wanted to show her how fast it is. Be careful next time. Put it in your pocket if you can.
I will. I don't want to feel that sad ever again.
Hold it tight or give it to me to hold in my bag.
Okay, Mom. I will hold it very, very tight for now.
I love my toy. It is the best car in the world. I know. It's the red champion of the park.
Let's play more. We still have some time before dinner.
Yes, but be careful not to leave things behind again. I play here. This is the safest spot for my car.
I stay with you. We can play together in the grass.
Thank you, Charlotte, for helping me find my car.
You're welcome. That is what big sisters are for.
Good teamwork. They really worked together to find it.
Very good. It is nice to see them helping each other.
I feel better now. The sun feels warm and I am happy.
Great! Let's pretend the grass is a giant forest.
Time is almost up. We should start packing the bags soon.
5 more minutes. Let them have one last race.
Okay, one last race for the red car. Let's enjoy these last few minutes of the sun.
My car is fast again. It's going faster than a bird.
Yes! It's winning the race through the forest.
Watch your steps. Don't trip over the tree roots.
I will. I am being very careful now, Mom.
Time to go home. Everyone, gather your things.
Okay, I have my backpack and the empty snack bags. I have my toy. See? It's right here in my hand.
Good. I am glad you are being responsible now.
Everyone ready? Does anyone else have something lost?
Yes, I have the keys and the picnic blanket.
I am ready. I want to go home and show Dad my new move.
Let's go. It's time to get some rest. What did you learn today at the park, James?
Don't lose my toy. I must always know where it is.
Good lesson. Taking care of your things is important.
Very good. And helping each other is important too. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for helping me search.
You're welcome, honey. We will always help you.
I am happy now. I can't wait for our next trip.
Me too. Maybe next time we go to the beach.
Seatbelts on. Wait, now seatbelts off. We are here.
Done! I am out of the car already. I hold my toy. I won't leave it in the car seat.
Good. You are learning very fast, James.
Don't drop it on the porch. Keep a firm grip.
I won't. I am holding it like a precious treasure.
Driving home now. Well, we are officially home.
Nice day. I am glad we spent it together.
I love the park. It has the best grass for racing.
Me too. The swings were very high today.
We can come again next weekend if you are good.
Yay! I will be the best boy ever.
Next time, be careful with your toys from the start.
Yes, Dad. I will keep them in my bag. Keep your toys safe. It's a very special car. I will. It's my favorite one in the whole world.
Good boy. I am proud of how you handled being sad.
Thank you, Mom. I tried my best.
We are home and everyone is safe. Life is good.
Great. Let's decide what to have for dinner. I take my toy inside to its garage in my room.
Good idea. Give it a nice place to park.
Put it in your room, right on the top shelf.
Okay. It will be safe there until tomorrow morning.
My toy is safe now. It can rest after the big race.
I'm happy to see you taking such good care of it.
Good ending to a very exciting day.
Yes! The mystery of the lost car is solved.
Thank you, everyone, for making my day so special.
We love you, James. You make our days special too.
We are a happy family. We love being together.